If your ads aren't bringing the right people right now, the chances are that you're speaking to the wrong audience, and that'll be costing you. If you give me a few minutes, I can walk you through a very simple exercise called the floor to ceiling exercise. And that will help you to actually identify who your ideal clients are and how to attract them using better ad messaging. I've put together a floor to ceiling worksheet that walks you through this step by step. Yeah. And if you want it, just drop the word ideal below and I'll send it over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sanford, and I help business owners like you to stop wasting money on ads that don't convert. And instead, I will help you to build ad strategies that bring you in qualified leads, people who are actually ready to work with you. Now, a big mistake I'm seeing right now is business owners are calling out the wrong type of audience in their ads. And then they're wondering why their leads are unqualified and why they're unresponsive or not even booking calls right now. Now, usually I find when people try to fix this, what they're doing is they're kind of they're tweaking their targeting, maybe they're changing the offer. A lot of people reducing their offer price, rewriting ad copy over and over again, and just hoping to get better results and wondering why it's not working. Well, here's the problem though. If you do not know who your ideal client is at the deepest level, no amount of targeting changes or new copy even was going to fix that. You're just going to keep on attracting the wrong people. And then you're also going to be missing out on the ones who you can truly help, the right types of people. So instead of guessing, what we do is we help our clients by using the floor to ceiling exercise. And this can define exactly who your ideal clients are. And it defines what makes them different from the people who you don't want to attract. How does that sound? Actually, I'm going to show you how this works right now. The first thing you want to do is you want to define what we call the floor, okay? And how do we do this? Well, you want to think about the lowest quality leads that you've attracted before, like the ones who aren't yet ready and they didn't perhaps have a budget, or maybe they ghosted you after showing the initial interest. You know who those are, don't you? But just write down those common traits that they share, and they will be people who you'll be able to work with in the future. But right now, they're not quite ready. Number 2 is you want to define those ceiling clients. Now, to do this, you want to think about your best clients. These are the people who paid without hesitation. They knew that what you had was what they needed. They followed through. They got great results in a fast time. Okay, you could help them, and they knew that you could help them. Now, you want to think about what they had in common. Okay, and you want to list these traits down. And then the third thing is you want to just take this information and turn it into your ad messaging. Because once you understand those differences, you can actually adjust your ads to speak directly to your ceiling clients. And then the ones you actually want will come to you. Well, at the moment, you're going to be filtering out the people who aren't a good fit. And then the people who are aspiring to be your ceiling clients are going to also talk to you, and you'll be able to tell them what they need to do to become a good client of yours also. Now, why does this even work? Well, this messaging does work because it actually removes all that guesswork. We hear about people throwing spaghetti at the wall and all this. It wastes so much time and so much energy, and it's downright disheartening if you've been doing it for years, yeah? And you're still wondering why you're not getting good response from your ads. So if you use this, instead of attracting really random leads who waste your time and wasting your ad budget, you're actually polarizing your ads. And by that it means that you're calling out the exact people who you want to work with, who can actually benefit from your service. But at the same point, you're repelling all of those people who aren't the right fit. Okay. Now, if you're interested in this, and if you want to apply this to your own ads today or over this week, I've put together a floor to ceiling worksheet that I give to my own clients. And this guides everybody through that process. So if you'd like this, just drop the word ideal below in the comments and I can send this over to you. Okay. And then by the time you complete this actual worksheet, you're going to know exactly who you should be speaking to your ads and how to adjust your messaging so that just those right people start showing up to you.